Imagine waking up tomorrow and your robot has already cooked breakfast, cleaned the house, and planned your entire day. It sounds like a scenario from a science fiction novel, but today, robots are evolving past the static machines found on factory floors. They are becoming more versatile, faster, and more human-like. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Agility Robotics are currently racing to build bipedal humanoid robots. These machines are designed to walk, carry objects, and fold clothes. The push for this technology is driven by a global demographic shift. This chart shows the shrinking working-age population plotted against a rising elderly demographic. Many nations face severe labor shortages human workers alone cannot fill. This line represents the projected exponential demand for automated labor needed to fill that gap over the next decade. These robots are built to step into repetitive, dangerous, or demanding jobs, providing a mechanical solution for roles where human labor is in short supply. If these demographic trends continue, humanoid robots will likely become a primary method for maintaining basic domestic services and providing care in aging societies. We already know robots excel in highly controlled environments. On a factory floor, robotic arms perform repetitive motions on fixed tracks with perfect precision. But taking a machine off that bolted-down assembly line and asking it to operate inside a human living room is one of the most difficult engineering challenges in the field. A home is a chaotic space for a machine. It contains messy floors, unexpected physical obstacles, and humans that the robot must interact with safely at all times. In many ways, this is harder than teaching a car to drive. Following traffic laws is a structured task, but folding a shirt or unloading a dishwasher requires thousands of dynamic, unpredictable micro-decisions. Mastering the unstructured physical chaos of a home environment is the final threshold that domestic robotics must cross. Artificial intelligence is bridging the gap between the factory and the home. AI is moving beyond merely processing text on a screen and into physical interaction with the real world. Through advanced machine vision, a robot can now instantly recognize and categorize thousands of unorganized everyday household items. Instead of just executing rigid code, they use that visual data to learn continuously. Every time they make a mistake, they improve their understanding of their environment. This allows for real-time decision-making. If an environment suddenly changes, like a chair being moved or glass about to fall, the robot can dynamically adjust its movements to avoid an accident. AI is providing the cognitive flexibility these machines need to operate safely in spaces originally built only for humans. So when will these machines reach the consumer market? While we won't see them in every home immediately, developed nations are expected to be the first to experience widespread adoption. This adoption curve indicates that humanoid domestic robots could cross into the mass consumer market around the mid-2030s. To understand how common they will become, look at your smartphone. It is a complex personal assistant that has become a standard part of our daily routines. We already accept primitive ancestors, like the automated vacuum, which navigates our homes without a second thought. We are moving toward a future where robots act as collaborative assistants, handling the manual maintenance of the home so we can focus on work that machines cannot perform. If you had a personal robot today, what would be the very first job you'd give it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more future technology videos.